Hello everyone, welcome back to Sastra Vibes. Today I will guide you step by step on how to apply for scholarships through National Scholarship Portal, including the Central Sector Scholarship for University or College students, AICTE Pragati for girls, and Swanath for orphans and economically disadvantaged students. Let us begin. Open your browser and visit the official website, that is scholarships.gov.in portal. So this is the scholarships.gov.in portal, that is only National Scholarship Portal, that is NSP. So if you are a new user, click on students. So it will redirect to a page. So if you are new, click on the OTR, that is one time registration. Click here for login. It will redirect to one more page. So click on register yourself. As you are a new user, click here to register. So accept the guidelines and click on the next. So enter your mobile number, verify the OTP, enter OTP, give the captcha and verify. Then you will go to eKYC process. You will receive one reference number. So all of you download NSP app in the Google Play Store and Aadhaar Face RD app in the Google Play Store. Download these two apps, that is NSP and Aadhaar Face RD apps, and finish the eKYC process by scanning your face. Then click on the finish button and come back, log in with your OTR. You will receive a OTR and password in your messages. So enter the OTR number and enter the password. Once you entered, it will ask to change your password. Change your password and log in again. Once you complete the registration process, come back and click on students again. So now click here, apply for scholarship, that is login button. So give your OTR and password or login with your Aadhaar number. So both are valid. So once you log in, I will show you how the page will be. So before that, if you are applying for center sector scheme, that is for universities and colleges, you must have secured above 80% marks in your 12th class and recognized in a college like Sastra University. For AICTE Pragati scholarship, that is for girls, they will provide 50,000 rupees per year only for girl students enrolled in technical courses under AICTE. Sastra will come under this. So you need your admission documents and income certificates, that is family income, that is less than 8 lakh rupees. For Skanath scholarship, this is applicable for both male and female students. Only the students who are orphans or whose parents died due to COVID or who belong to families with no earning member. You will need a death certificate of proof of eligibility. This scholarship, that is Kwanath scholarship, also will be 50,000 rupees. The central sector scheme for university students, that is 20,000 rupees per annum. So the first scholarship, central sector scheme, that is 20,000 rupees per annum. AICT Pragati scholarship for girls, that is 50,000 rupees per annum. And Swanath scholarship, that is 50,000 rupees per annum. They will give to you. This is national government. This national government will provide you the scholarship amount. I will show you one sample how to do this. Once open, click apply fresh. So click on these two and agree the terms and select your state and scholarship type, that is scholarship. So you are applying for post matric scholarship, that is top class, that is engineering colleges. So you want to apply for post matric scholarship. Click on the apply button, it will take to my applications. So now you can see in the dashboard that you can proceed with the scholarship. Proceed, click on the proceed button and it will redirect to a page. Fill all the details correctly. After that, you will receive at the last a bona fide certificate. Take a Xerox of that bona fide certificate and submit it in your college. The college will provide you stamp and signature of the college. Then you can take a photo of the bona fide certificate and apply in this. So the college verification will start and the college will verify it and you will receive the money. So remember, if you are not eligible for any other scholarship, you can apply for this scholarship. So you will receive the money from the national government itself. So only you must hold a single scholarship after all the scholarship results. Okay, you understand, I think. That is it. Now you can know how to apply for NSP scholarship, Central Sector, Pragati and Swanath as a student of Sastra. Make sure you apply before the deadline. If you need help, reach out the department or comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sastra Vibes for more student friendly guidelines. All the best for your scholarship. Thank you for watching.